Assalamu I hope so you're all fine. Before starting the new video, go and subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon. Today our topic is rules of Python variables. Means what are the rules of variable? There are some rules to create a new variable. Okay, now I'm going toward my video. These are some rules. Number 1. A variable start must with the letter or underscore. If you start your variable with special character like at the rate, hashtag, scholar symbol, so it makes an error. So you have to avoid those errors. If you want to avoid those errors, so you have to start your variable with the underscore character. Second, here variable cannot be started with the number. Number 3, a variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscore A to Z 0 to 9 and underscore. Means you can add A to Z alphabet 0 to 9 integer, but you can't start your variable name with integer. But you can use integer in the variable name. You cannot start with the integer, but you can use integer in the variable name, and also underscore. 4. Case sensitive. Case sensitive means upper and lower case. You can use in one program AGE, small letters. Next, you can also use variable with the name of capital AGE. Number 3, you also use capital all AGE. So these are different 3 variables. And number 4 rule is you cannot use reserved words. Cannot use reserved words. Okay, reserved words like int, float, and or if, while, till 80 reserved words in Python, and you can't use those 80 reserved words in variable name. Okay, now I'm going to tell you some examples. So as I told you, a variable must be started with a letter or underscore. So var is equal to hi print var hi is print. Now another example, a variable must be started with underscores. Yes, underscore var is equal to hi no print underscore var hi Noor is print. As I told you, we cannot start variable with the number, so 9 var is equal to hi Noor. Syntax error. As I told you, if you add number in a variable, then it gives you error, and the error is called syntax error. There are total 4 type of errors. Now it can show that it is the syntax error, like var 1 underscore 2 underscore 3 hi Noor print var 1 underscore 2 underscore 3 hi Noor is print. Hope so you like my video. If you like, give this video a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe my channel for further new update. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.